Hello everybody, it's good to see you once again here at JAS TV. My name is Dr. Scott Perlman. We're going to talk about a product today that we really enjoy a lot and that we've designed for my wife Nancy with you in mind. For those of you that don't know Nancy, Nancy is known as Fancy Nancy out there a lot with her battling with cancer, stage 4 breast cancer. And she's come such a long way over the past few years where the majority of her cancer has gone without radiation and chemotherapy. But in that said, in all the treatments that we've done with her, with cleansing and so forth, we realized that she's had a couple of skin irritations through that time. So we figured, why not come up with a product for everybody else that they can enjoy the same way that she has. So what we've done here, we created Body Detox in a Box. And it's got 4 products plus a body brush that we'd like to talk about quickly here and be able to show you. And before I get into that real quick, I want to talk briefly about the skin and why is it so important. Your skin is your largest organ that you have. It breathes in waste as a whole. Okay, so we're going to talk about deodorant in here, and that's part of that. But your skin needs to be healthy, and what you put on it gets right into your bloodstream, and that is very important. So for all of you out there with your fancy creams and all that, and things that you put on day to day, that does get through the skin and into the bloodstream, and all that has to be processed through your liver, and so forth. So what we did was we decided to come up with this box, as I mentioned, and let me open up this box and let's talk a little bit about it. When you open it, you're going to get it fully wrapped, and you're going to get with a card in here that's going to talk about the Body Detox Box and its products and what's in them and how to use this box on the front and the back. And it's going to talk about how it's vegan friendly and how it's bunny certified, which is through organics. The entire box is organic. There is no methyls, ethyls, or parabens of any sort in the box. The body brush here is used for lymphatic stimulation. So for those of you that don't know about that, when you brush certain ways on the body, whether under the armpit, in the thighs, behind the legs, and so forth, that stimulates the lymphatic system to help drain all toxins in your body. That's the brush. That's what we want to focus on there a little bit. Here we have the bath salts, and the bath salts are, you use about a teaspoon to a tablespoon's worth that you put into the tub of hot water and you soak in this. And if you want, you can add just one oil. It would be lavender oil, and you could put 6 or 7 drops into the water. It would be very nice. But this is again, no parabens, no methyls, no ethyls, no chemicals at all. Secondly, that we have here, we got a body butter. And for those of you that know about body butters, this is phenomenal. This is going to smell great, it's going to feel great, and with no chemicals once again. This would be something that you would use after the shower, that if you had some dryness, you can use this here. Thirdly, we have a body scrub. And the body scrub here is that if you have rough hands, rough feet on the soles or the heels, this would be good to rub that in there in the shower. Again, you rinse it all off, you come out and you use the body butter. So this is another really great product in there. And lastly, we have our deodorant. Man, we get a lot of comment on the deodorant. Are you selling deodorant just by itself? We're trying to make that happen, but right now we have it for the Detox Box. This deodorant is lined with charcoal. Charcoal absorbs the odor and the moisture underneath the arm. We've tested this here in Georgia with 100 different women. Nobody failed in the midsummer. That was fantastic. So the way that you use this is you can use one pad through the day and you put it back into the jar. And once it's done, at the end of your day, you throw the pad out and you have more that will last you over a month in this jar. This body kit is really sentimental for me because I know what it's done for my wife, and I want it to do the same for you and your loved ones out there. We put a lot of time from the box to the labeling to the paper to what's in there, the shredded paper and all, with you in mind. So if you're interested, feel free to go to our website at drscottperlman.com. You can either leave us a message or you can email us through the website and purchase through the website. It will be on sale now through the end of Valentine's Day. So if you know somebody, a loved one, a friend, a family member, or just your mom or a daughter that you feel can benefit from this box, feel free to go to our site. And again, that's drscottperlman.com. And I am Dr. Scott Perlman from JAS Medical and Wellness here in historic Marietta, Georgia. And we thank you for taking the time and watching this video. Enjoy your holiday, everybody. God bless. Bye-bye.